interesting topic, so most of you can relate, including me. So I'm pretty sure we all have watched movie Gully Boy that came in recent times. It's an entertaining movie. For those who haven't watched, just go and watch it. But at the same time, it gives us a lot of lessons. To start with, number one, always show up. Yes, make sure you are part of meetups and events that are close to your passion or interest. At least participate as an audience. It will help you learn from your peers and in networking, obviously. And you never know what is in store for you if you do not turn up. If you remember, for all those who have watched this movie, how Murad shows up for a meetup where he meets the MC Sher, that later turns out to be his mentor and a friend, and the rest is history. So make sure you always show up. Number two, have a mentor. That is very important. Irrespective of the industry you are working, you must have a mentor. Make sure you always have someone whom you can look up to, a friend, a philosopher, and a guide. And it need not to be your direct manager, boss, parents, or sibling. A mentor who guides you in the right direction, picks you up when you are down, make sure you're doing something that makes you happy. MC Sher is the happiest guy when Murad makes it into the top 5 of the competition. I understand it's hard to find someone who isn't so selfish as well, because everyone, if we talk about the movie, everyone wants to become the gully boy, but there are very few who actually want to become MC Sher. That is very important takeaway. And then the third one, keep learning. Murad was a good writer initially and not a perfect rapper. That's when he learns what is rap, blends his writing skills with rapping skills to carve a perfect output. So make sure you are always learning. So keep learning. Number four, leverage technology. Very important. Murad started out it all by using an iPad as a and a microphone as a recorder, a speaker to listen and rehearse. Use smartphones to network rather than a chit chat or a time pass. And number five, inspiration is everywhere. So sometimes the nature conspires to grant you the much deserved success. Murad thinks about what to write, and when he is lectured by MC Sher to think about his roots, and his inspiration is everywhere. He guides him to start thinking about the surrounding and start writing further. Even at his lowest moment while working as a makeshift driver, he starts writing what comes to his mind, and this becomes his life changing rap song. Irrespective of the surroundings and situations, try to stay calm and focus on your aspirations.